Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Crypto Noobs. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with XRP/Ripple. We're also going to be taking a look at their latest partnerships as well as price analysis. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. And I want to know your thoughts down below. Where do you think XRP is heading in the next year? In my opinion, I'm pretty bullish on XRP myself, but I want to know what you think down below. With that, let's jump straight into the video. So we'll start off by taking a look at the market as a whole. Bitcoin at 11,817, Ethereum at $432, which is very good. It has a very nice run over the past few days. XRP at 29 cents, which is again is showing very stable levels. Chainlink up to almost $20, which is absolutely incredible. Video coming out on that on the next few days. But I want to talk about XRP in today's video, and if we have a look at XRP's chart, short term, on the 24-hour and the 7-day chart, it is not even down a percentage, but on the 30-day chart, it is still up 54%. So if we take a look at the 7-day chart, it is still showing stable levels in my opinion. On the 30-day chart, it still looks very attractive. 90-day chart, still attractive in my opinion. And on the 12-month chart, it still shows stable levels in my opinion. Now, the first article I want to show you about XRP/Ripple, and it's to do with Grayscale. And it says Grayscale XRP Trust has grown 160% since July. Bullish prediction. The Grayscale XRP Trust is currently experiencing a strong demand and has grown from 2.7 million to 7.2 million since the beginning of July. Grayscale is predicting that Ripple XRP has the potential to capture a considerable part of the global payment market, estimated at over $2 trillion. The world's largest digital asset investment firm, Grayscale, has published an update on XRP. As Grayscale wrote via Twitter, XRP has the potential to capture a considerable part of the $2 trillion global payment market. Already last November, Grayscale published a report entitled An Introduction to XRP. The name suggests the report contains a detailed explanation of the characteristics of the digital asset. According to Grayscale, it is designed to address the liquidity problems the financial institutions are facing today. XRP is an alternative to the international transfer system SWIFT. In this context, Grayscale states the following about XRP and XRP Ledger. And it says down here, by providing the means for fast, secure and low-cost conversions between the varying units of value, the network has the potential to capture the significant value from a global payments market worth an estimated $2 trillion. By design, XRP is unlike many of its digital currency counterparts. And down here, you can see they tweeted, why might XRP have the potential to capture the significant value from $2 trillion global payments market? Which again, in my opinion, that's very, very big if someone like them see that much value in XRP. And down here, it says, Grayscale doubles XRP bet and continues Bitcoin frenzy. Consistent with its reports, the digital asset management firm has been increasing its investment in XRP. Grayscale regularly publishes an update on its investments. According to the most recent update yesterday, of the 5.2 billion in total asset under management, 7.2 million has been allocated to the Grayscale XRP Trust. And as you can see down here, there's the XRP, 7.2 holdings per share, $26. And again, that's a very, very big thing, that they're very, very bullish on XRP in my opinion. So as you know what I say if you watch my videos, I'm very bullish across the market, across the whole space. Now, I don't think there's going to be just one winner. I think there's going to be multiple winners. And I think that it's good news for almost every single cryptocurrency. There's been ridiculously good news across the whole space. So I think could all be winners. Not obviously with every single cryptocurrency, but I think there's a big, strong possibility that this whole digital aspect is going to come into play. And if it comes into play, you're going to have a lot of big winners, and you're going to have a lot of big institutions and companies, etc., picking effectively their cryptocurrency and which one they decide to work with. And that's why it's so big in my opinion, because you're not just going to have one winner. I think you're going to have multiple winners, because as it's proven already, the market is taking a really good turn. And if it continues to do that, and the bigger companies and the bigger people start to invest their money into this, then you're going to see a very, very, very healthy cryptocurrency market, in my opinion. Now, the next article that I want to show you about XRP/Ripple, and in my opinion, it's pretty big news because it could cause a big adoption across the whole space. And this one says, new Ripple-based app to extend XRP adoption to billions of people. A new app powered by the Ripple network and the XRP Ledger RipPay has confirmed as a potential tool to extend XRP adoption to billions of people, both the banked and the unbanked across the globe. The development was disclosed at the recent concluded PayID hackathon, where the app received the most concentrated attention from the community and was awarded second position. The PayID hackathon was a competition financially supported by Ripple, where over 360 developers participated to present different innovations to explore new use cases of XRP and PayID. The proposals submitted, according to Ripple CTO David Schwartz and Ethan Beard, were beyond the judges' expectations. Now, in my opinion, what we do have to realise is how early we actually are. 90% or 80% of the world are not invested or even heard of cryptocurrency. So what we have to realise is how early we actually are. So imagine what it's going to be from a year or two now if the market becomes a very, very, very bullish market like it is already. Imagine the prices in a year or two when millions and millions and millions of more people do come into the space. So the fact that they're improving every single day, they're creating trying to create wallets and stuff like that every single day, they're trying to improve the payment system. It's just, again, in my opinion, it's very, very big. And I think the fact that majority of these cryptocurrencies are in a very bullish trend at the moment, I think there is big money to come, and this is just the start, in my opinion. And I think we have got a long road ahead of us. Now, the next article I want to show you is a price analysis, and it says XRP is usually late to most rallies, and it sometimes misses them entirely. However, there are instances where it does join, although it does it in a weaker fashion than most of its peers. This time, however, the coin is performing rather well. Even though it currently struggles with a resistance of 30 cents, its recovery from a mid-March price crash was long and rather weak. But its investors were quite pleased to see it take more active role in the bull run at July 21st. Currently, the coin is trying to breach its major resistance and revisit the highs it saw in February 2020, which, the way it's looking at the minute, with its stabilization, I think there is something coming. It's rather going to be a big dip or it's going to be a big run. I think I'm 50-50 in my opinion, but if you look at it long term, then I think the sky's the limit. But short term, either way, I don't think it's going anywhere anytime fast, and if it does, then you would have missed the boat, because I personally believe that XRP does have a bright future, and I just think it's one that will really test your patience. Now, this is the last article I want to show you before I show you their partnerships, and it says XRP works for solving $10 trillion payments problem, CEO Brad Garlinghouse. And it says down here, the CEO of Ripple blockchain firm, Brad Garlinghouse, has expressed that XRP is efficiently solving a real-world problem in the cross-border remittance industry, adding that Ripple has no plan to readjust its strategy in the tech world. Garlinghouse made the assertion in response to the release published by Financial Times, which claims that Ripple, 8 years after its establishment, is trying to vindicate the high $16 billion total supply of XRP by resetting and finding a compelling use case for the blockchain technology behind XRP, the XRP Ledger. Responding to the claim, Garlinghouse also copied New York Times reporter Natalie Pope, who also issued against him and XRP in regards to the Financial Times report. The CEO of Ripple said that San Francisco fintech company has no intention of resetting, and XRP works for solving a real-world $10 trillion problem. And as you can see here, Brad Garlinghouse responded in a tweet to that problem, and he completely disagrees with it. He says, "My favourite skeptics are active today. Ripple has absolutely no plan to reset our strategy. Using XRP to solve a real-world $10 trillion problem like cross-border payments is working." Now, in my opinion, that is quite big. It is quite some bad news, but there again, he's responding, and it's just a case of waiting to see what happens over time. I'm personally been investing in XRP for quite a while now, and I see very good value in it, as well as a lot of other cryptocurrencies, but I see value in XRP as well because of the partnerships they have, which is what I want to show you now. Now I'm going to show you some of the partnerships, and this is big. Some of these are very, very big. They have American Express, Santander, Interbank, RIA, PNC, MoneyGram. They've got some very, very big banks partnerships already, and in my opinion, if the banks didn't see value in it at all, would they be even considering working with them, in my opinion? And I think that's why it's something to keep an eye on in the next few years, because I think with the partners and the banks that they have, I think surely something must be around the corner, or surely something must be very positive about XRP/Ripple. If banks see potential in it with a lot of money, it's just something to think about, in my opinion. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that's everything I've got for you today. If you've enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. With that, I've been Crypto Nobes. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Peace.